Welcome back to my channel, Claudie Cooks. Hope everyone is doing really well today. I've been inspired to go the Middle Eastern route, and I have cooked some Harissa chickpea stew. Hop over into the kitchen with me and let's cook up some magic. Right, I've put the pan on to heat up. Time to put the oil in. Going to let that heat up for a bit. Okay, it's quite hot now, so time to add onions. I'm adding 1 small red onion chopped. I'm gonna let that saute for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding the other ingredients. Time to add the ginger and the garlic. I'm using 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and half a tablespoon of ginger, which is here. Right, just gonna stir this. Honestly, it smells so lovely. Just having these basic aromas, you know, it's the flavor, the aroma that it gives off. It's beautiful, really beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to give those a few seconds or so just to get that going before I start adding the other ingredients. In here we've got half of a bell pepper, I've got a cup of tomatoes, right, I'm just going to let this cook out for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. Yes, look at that, just what I'm looking for. Time to add the chickpeas, drained and rinse them, but you can use the juice as well, because these are in natural, you know, these aren't in brine in water. Right, time to add some seasoning. I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm just going to sprinkle it all over. Right, time for some black pepper, a bit of seasoning, some salt, now I'm going to be putting a tablespoon of rose harissa. I love this flavor, and it's a Middle Eastern spice blend, you know, and it's really lovely flavor. I cook quite a lot of dishes, I just generally with this in it. Very nice flavor. So I'm taking you on a journey to the Middle East. I'm just gonna let that simmer. I'm just gonna give that about 8 minutes, and then I will return to add the rest of the ingredients. This is on a medium to low heat. Time for the spinach. This is a cup of spinach, and I'm going to add to that a bit of chopped parsley and coriander. Let's give this a good stir. So what you can do to make a bit of sauce, you can add a little bit of boiling water to that. Give this a stir. And please, you know, adjust the seasonings accordingly, because I've added a bit of boiling water. I'm just going to let this, you know, sit for another couple of minutes, and then we're ready. Taste tester before I switched off. Perfect. And just time to add a bit more coriander and a squeeze of lemon juice. I love lemon because it helps to freshen up the dish. And this is ready. Switching fire off. Ready to serve up. I'll be back in a minute. Here is my Middle Eastern inspired chickpea stew, and boy, have I got a dish for you. It's absolutely delicious. Please try it. I'm serving my chickpea stew with some rice, some jasmine rice, some mixed vegetables, fried plantain, and a salad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the kitchen.